Hi everyone. So this is my first video on YouTube and I'll be talking about swing trading strategy using CPR indicator. So let me share my screen and then we will just start. Yeah. So first of all, we'll discuss what are the motive behind releasing this video. So what I will be doing, I'll be releasing one video every week discussing all the stocks which I'm planning to buy, and we'll do this for at least 1 year so that we can test the strategy, and then we'll be maintaining a trading journal, and we'll maintain all the trades that we are taking, and then we'll look for any improvements whenever our stop loss gets hit. Then we will check what went wrong, or sometimes if our target is met, then we'll see what went good. Okay, so that I'm planning to do. So basically, I'm using a CPR indicator, so that I will be discussing next. Yeah, so setup and requirements. So what I'm planning to do, I have around 1 lakh capital. So I will be using that capital, and I'll be buying approximately 10 shares, and it will be distributed equally. Like I'll buy one share worth rupees 10,000. So likewise, I'll buy 10 shares to test the strategy. And the indicator I'll be using are mainly CPR by KGS, which is a CPR indicator available on TradingView. And then I'll be using this Candlestick Reversal indicator. And other two, I'm still not sure if I'll be using or not, because I'm still studying these indicators. One is relative strength, then RSI, and this is normal 200 days. We can use simple moving average or exponential moving average. And the next thing is how we will select the stocks. So I'll be using this app called Stockage. So here we get to create different scans. So I have created one scan which gives us high delivery volume share, and the share should be like the stock should be in 52-week high range. Okay, so that in this way. Then next thing is when we will take the entry. So first of all, our stock which we want to trade should be in 52-week high range. Then it should have shown high delivery volume recently. Then the third thing, which is the most important thing, it should be the CPR. It should be in the uptrend. Okay. And when we will buy, we'll buy when the stock is bouncing from CPR level in uptrend. Okay, so these 2 points, this one and this one, these 2 points are important. And this point I'm still studying. This is not yet confirmed, but the thing I'm considering is we should not buy any stock which is in overbought zone in RSI indicator, and it should not be above R1 level. Like when we use pivot points, then the short stock should not trade above R1 level. So this is, I'll show you this point in chart, so don't worry. Then the next thing is what will be our stop loss. So stop loss should be below the S1 level of pivots. Okay, like the closing should be, if the closing goes below S1 level of pivot, then we'll exit the stop. And this S1 level should not be greater than 12 to 13%. Like that's the threshold I have kept. And so that let's say if my stop loss is 12-13%, so after exiting the stock we have other charges also, like brokerage charge and other this delivery margin and whatnot. So after that, in one stock, I should not lose more than 15%. So that's what I have written here. Maximum loss that I can bear in one trade is 15%. And I'll be looking for 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So if my stop loss is around 12 to 13%, then I'll be expecting profit of around 24% to 26%. And then the next thing is exit and trailing. So what we will do, we will exit 80% of our holdings when our target is achieved. That is 1:2 risk to reward ratio is achieved, and rest 20% we will trade as long as our trend is intact. Trend, and how we will decide the trend, that is using the CPR level. Okay, and if the closing is not going below CPR level, sorry, S1 level, then we will not exit. So we will ride the trend as long as it is continuing. And one thing to remember is whenever CPR trend is reverse, then we should be cautious in that stock. Like that stock might hit our stop loss, so we have to take into consideration. Then, yeah, we'll discuss some examples. So let me go to trading view. First, I will show you how this looks in Nifty, and then these are few stocks that we'll discuss. Mm, So yeah, this is Nifty 50 index in trading view. So here I have added this indicator CPR by kg. So these are all the normal settings. I'm using monthly pivots, okay, and I have enabled S1, R1 and R2, these three levels, monthly R1, monthly R2, and monthly S1. And these three pivot levels, a central pivot range. So this you can see. And another indicator is candlestick reversal system. You can find it in the public library. So from there I have used. And another thing we are using is volume. Okay. So according to this strategy, what I'm planning to execute is, so whenever we see that CPR, so these three pink lines you see here, these are nothing but CPR. Okay. So when this CPR is in uptrend, so here you see uh, this is November month CPR and this is December month CPR. These three lines. Okay. So we can see in December month the CPR is in uptrend, right? So what I'm telling uh, here, so when stock is, so right now I'm showing an example in Nifty, so we can't see this thing, high delivery volume of this thing. But when we will buy, when the stock is bouncing from the CPR level, okay? So let's say this CPR level first, uh, this CPR is in uptrend in the December month, right? So if the stock is going like this and coming here and touching CPR and again bouncing back, then we will enter the stop. Okay. And what will be our stop loss? Stop loss will be S1 level. So this is S. Okay. And our target will be 1:2. Okay. So you see from November. So let's say we buy somewhere here, December, in the December month. So from December month, we can see the CPR is in uptrend only, right? This pink line, right? So this is uptrend. Until date, this is in uptrend only. So when we will consider exit, we will consider exit only when the stock price closes below this S1. any of the S1 level. So here it did not close below S1, here it did not close below S1, here also, here also, here also, here also. Here it went below this level, but the next day itself it bounced back. So we will still stay in this stock. But this is index, so we are not considering this one. So I'll just show you some example. So this is a stock pitch, okay? What I'm going to indices. This is Nifty 500. Let's go to stocks. Mm, Let's go to gainers. So here it will show all the percentages gain. Okay. So let's consider any of these stocks. Let's say Hindustan Zinc or BDL, Cochin Shipyard. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to catch maximum swing gains, right? So that's why I'm showing this example. So let's go to Hindustan Zinc. See, so in this example, after a recent volume, so I think so this stock went into uptrend in this month, May month, right? So this is April month CPR, this is May month CPR. So this is clearly uptrend, right? But the stock did not bounce back from the CPR level. Like if it come here and then it bounce back, then we can enter the stock. But in this case, this did not happen, so we'll ignore this stock. Just go to some other BDL or Cochin shipyard. Let's see, Cochin. See here. See, stock made a recent high in September 23 over here, and then it's in around 20% range, like plus minus 20% range. Okay. Then what we will see, first time it went into uptrend here, right? So the stock went like this, then came back to CPR and then bounced back, right? So this is clear bounce back, right? Here. So what we will do, we will consider this stock buying somewhere here and check how much uh, stop loss we are having. So here in this case, the stop loss should be below S1 level, right? So it is coming around 20%, but in my example, I will be looking for 12 to 13%, right? And after that, my target should be one, like 1:2 risk to reward ratio. So it should be 40% nearly. So see, this is clearly achieved, right? Yeah. And still the stock is in uptrend or not. Here it is uptrend. Yeah. So here we can see the stock breached the S1 level, but the next day itself it bounced back. So we will not exit the stock still. So you can see this is still above S1 level only. So if we had bought this stock around this month, this level, until the if we are holding it somewhere here, okay, 190% return in 175, right? So that's what I am talking. So I'll just show you my example which I found out. No, yeah. So we'll consider this stuff. Yeah, actually. Hmm. Yeah. So this stock was trading near its 52-week high range, and then first time it created this PPR uptrend in December month. Okay, then it went like this, and then see. So here we can see two bounce back from the CPR level. So this is also a bounce back. It went here, then consolidated here, and then it gave a sharp move, right? So if we can buy here also, we buy here, then how much is our stop loss? See, 10% stop loss, and we are expecting around 20%. 1 is to 2. See, easily achieved, right? And CPR is still in the uptrend. See here, CPR uptrend, the uptrend. It did not close below S1 level yet. Uptrend. And here, on this day, this is 28th May, it closed below S1 level. So here we will be exiting, right? According to the strategy. So if we consider entry somewhere here, in exit somewhere here, let's say, or let's say this. So see 72% returns in 175. So it's not bad, right? But what we are expecting around 1 is to 2 profit. So that is met in here we consider 10% and I'm on 20% return. So that was generated in 48 days only, right? We are getting it clearly. And this part we will train. So that's what I'm planning to do for next 1 year using this time. So once again I'll show you. Okay, not required. Yeah. So criteria is it should be price should be in 52-week high range. Then it should have recent high delivery volume. So here if you see we bought we thought of buying somewhere here, right? And in previous months you can see high delivery volume. See this volume green candle. So that means something is going on in this stock. So we can buy this stock. Okay. Then CPR changed to uptrending. Yeah. CPR is changed to uptrending here. And then price should be bounced back from the CPR levels. Bounce back. So another thing is this also we can consider as CPR bounce. Okay. Here we are getting this candlestick signal also to buy. Okay. Then stop loss below S1 level and it should not be greater than 12 to 13% because the maximum it can lose in one trade is 15% according to my planning. So that's why. And then exit criteria 80% will exit when we see 1 is to 4 is to reverse and this 20% will trade as long as the S1 level is intact. Okay. Yeah, so I showed some example. Yeah, so if you follow this plan, so what I'm planning in the ideal case, let's say ideally in every trade the stop loss is around 12 to 13%. So roughly will generate around 24% in one stock multiplied by 10. So around 20 to 30% returns we can generate in 1 year. And in worst case, in every stock, I'm planning to like bear loss of around 15%. So that's also one thing. So here it should be 85. Okay. And after 1 year, we'll again analyze the things, what went wrong, what went good. So that's what we are planning to do. We'll get a lot of learnings from this thing. So yeah, that's it for the video. From next video, I'll show what I'm planning to buy. We'll maintain a trade journal also. So as this week we have election results in India from on 4th of June. So that's why mostly I will not buy in this week. But if I'm buying anything, then I'll make a video and show it to you all. So yeah, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.